Hi guys, Jessica Hill here. I'm here to share with you a few of my favorite apps for Instagram stories. My first favorite app is called Unfold. Unfold is an app that makes really gorgeous stories really easily. So you create a story and then you can actually choose the template that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and import this awesome photo, and then we can actually import another photo. I actually just like using the same one. And then saving it. You can also then do two, like a diptych. Go ahead and do these two from a recent wedding. And you can move it around like so. Later in Instagram, you can tag the vendors and you can just download the entire story to your phone or post it directly to Instagram. Another favorite I really love is Canva. Canva is a really amazing free graphic design service that has tons of amazing templates for free. So you just head up here to Instagram story and then you can just go through and find a template that you like. Another favorite is called WordSwag. WordSwag is awesome because it doesn't necessarily take a template. It actually just puts cool words over your already existing images. IG Stories template right there. You can choose all these cool different overlays. Then just double tap it to change the text.